In this video, we'll be talking about landing pages, which is where the first sign of trust exchange happens, in which you as an affiliate offer something of value and anyone interested will offer you their contact information. Now, for that exchange to happen, you as an affiliate need to create a page that showcases your offer and a caption from beside that will make it easy for your visitors to give you their contact information. That page is commonly known online as a landing page, and some call it a squeeze page. So before we get into creating an actual landing page, let's first look at some landing page best design practices. Now, when talking about landing pages, there are certain best practices that you should really pay attention to if you want to convert the most number of visitors that visit your page. Let's now go through some of these best practices before building a landing page. The first best practice of a landing page is keeping the page as simple as possible by using the rule of one. In the rule of one, you want to think about one message and one offer. That means there should be no distractions on the page. Everything on the page should focus on what the offer is, the benefits, and how to get the offer. The next best practice of a landing page is the 5-second rule. The 5-second rule is based on the visitor's attention span. Now, as you might probably know, many people nowadays have very limited attention span because the human brain is hardwired to pay attention only to information that benefit them. So because of the short attention span people have, you have to try to communicate whatever you want to offer on your landing page in just under 5 seconds. The first thing you have to communicate within that 5 seconds is what you're offering. Is it an ebook you're offering, a video course, software, or free membership, for example? The next thing to communicate to visitors who visit your landing page are the benefits of the offer you're offering them on that page, how it will make their life better, and what they need to do to get the offer. You can either use images, videos, simple text, or a combination of these media outlines to communicate your benefits. Now, you don't only need to communicate all that within the first 5 seconds, you also need to put it on the top fold of the page so visitors don't need to scroll down to see the complete information. Yeah, I know most people online have been conditioned to scroll down a page to find more information, but most often people will only scroll down the page if they are attracted to the offer or benefit, which again should be on the top fold of the page. Now, the next practice of a converting landing page will be a social proof. Now, if you happen to have people who have reviewed your free offer and decided to create some kind of a content, be it a video or text content reviewing that offer, you can also use that below your caption page as your social proof. So when new visitors come to your landing page and learn about the offer and the benefits you are offering, and they also see other people singing praises about the offer, they will be more likely and interested to also get in and try it, hence leading to more conversions. Social proof can be anything from comments, likes, or share on a particular content. Now, all that is what you need to do to design a converting landing page for your ClickBank product. Now that you know all about the best practices of designing a converting landing page, in the next video in this series, we'll be looking at the step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page following some of these best practices. So, if you're interested, make sure to check out the next video in this series.